In this video we try to fix issue when unable to add card in Apple Pay. At first open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Here select Language and Regions. Ensure your region is same as of your card. Like have USA card and your selected region is France. Now go back, this time select Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on Add Card and it provide you bunch of different options to add. Like we want to add debit card. Can add by recording video or by entering details manually. If still not fix, go back, scroll to top and tap your name. At bottom you will find Sign Out, just sign out and log back in. If this too not work, then check for software update. Make sure you have latest version of iOS. And most probably any of the method will work. Thanks for watching.